Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to clean your hats. It's going to be that time of year. Your hats have probably been sitting most of the winter. If you're anything like me, there's grease in here, dirt, whatever it is, oil from your hair. How I go ahead and wash my caps kind of scrub free is I actually will go ahead and soak them in the sink with a scoop of this OxiClean. I find it to be the easiest and most efficient way to clean my hats. I will also use this OxiClean stain stick to get rid of any stains or anything that happens on the hat. I wear hats all of the time, especially when I'm doing projects either out on the farm or around the house. I've got paint here, more paint here. There's definitely some dirt. There's probably some kid snot on here, like whatever it is. How I do this is I'm going to actually go ahead and just plug the sink. Put the hats in here, get some really hot water going, and once the sink gets about halfway full, go ahead and start sprinkling in some of this OxiClean. You really don't need a lot. If I had any stains that I wanted to work out, I would put this on those stains. And we're basically just going to be laundry stripping our hats without the borax, and you'll be able to see pretty quick how gross this water is going to get, how murky it is. You can already see it's turning colors. It's not clear anymore. I'm going to go ahead and let these soak for probably 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to pull these out and let them air dry. You can actually see I haven't even finished filling the sink yet, and the OxiClean already took out both of the paint stains that were on this hat. They're completely gone just by soaking. That's why I love this OxiClean so much. I'm going to go ahead and let these soak for probably 15-20 minutes and air dry after. It's the best way to hold the integrity of the hat, keep its shape, all of those things. You don't have to worry about Velcro or anything getting lodged in your dryer. Nothing like that. If your hats are particularly gnarly, you can always repeat the process. Do it 2 or 3 times. Just rinse out the water. Refill your sink, add in some more OxiClean. If you're feeling jazzy, you could also add in some scent boosters if you're feeling like it. Whatever you need to do to help these hats go along, especially if they're gym hats. I know that from personal experience. What I like to do after I soak my hats is I rinse them out with just some fresh water right off the tap, and I actually hang them right off the faucet and let them drip down into the sink until they dry. I think the hats dry the best when you hang them to dry. You can hang them on the back of a chair, off a clothesline, whatever works for you. But I find that it just works best and keeps the shape of the hat the best. Helps it from getting deformed, all of those things. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and I will see you guys in another video.